Alright folks, today I'm going to show you how to take off the door and replace the speaker of this 1998 Ford Expedition. So I'm going to practice on the right hand side because that's the problem with the speaker on this side. So the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take off this panel. Alright, now we got this piece out of the way. We're going to have to take out that Phillips head screw right there. Then we're going to have to come down here to this reflective panel, take this off. Then we're going to have to take out the screw right there. Now normally there's a light bulb right here that you have to twist to line up with those grooves, and then when taking the door off, but I don't have the light bulb over here, so I don't have to worry about that. Alright, after we got those screws taken out, we got to take off this little panel that's right next to the door handle, and then we got to take out this electrical panel. Alright, I'm going to see if I can do this one-handed and video record at the same time. Using a screwdriver here to help pry things apart. And there's a trick to it. You gotta, once you get it off, you gotta twist it almost completely around, and then kind of like twirl it on so that it hooks. It took me a long while at first to figure out how to take these things off, and they're difficult to take on and off. Next, we gotta take out this panel for the window control. All it is you just gotta pry this part up, try not to break anything, like that. And then next, you just gotta check out those wire cable assemblies. All you gotta do, it's hard to do one-handed in the camera, but essentially you just grab this part of the wire right here, and then with the other hand hold on to this and then pull those two apart. Alright, now that we got that panel taken out, there may be a screw right there that you have to take out. Mine's missing, but just keep an eye out for that. We're all good to go. Let's take out the panel itself. Now, to do this, pretty much have to grab a hold of it and push up and maneuver the door handle out of the way. But other than that, it's off. Alright, now that we got the door panel off, we can move to the speaker. So for the speaker, there are 4 bolts that need to be taken out, and what I found fits is a 5.5 millimeter socket. So let's unscrew those and take it off. Alright, so after you unscrew it, it may be stuck to the metal frame because the old plastic had melted partially to it. So as you saw, I just used a flathead screwdriver to deal with that. And then after that, the only thing connected to it is this little clip that you just got to pop off. Let's get the new speaker.
The next day.
Okay, so we're in the AutoZone parking lot doing this because this is how professionals do it. So I got, instead of a OEM speaker, I got a cheap $20 speaker. But the connections don't line up because that won't fit onto that connection like that one.
Doesn't look like that.
Yeah. So what we did, and what the AutoZone guy told us, is get these little guys, put them on each of that, and then once we do that, take the wires from the cable. We're gonna have to cut that and strip them and put them in there, and then we should be good. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, as you can see, our mission is successful. Anyways, but our main problem is that it sticks out too much, so we're going to head back to the shop. We're going to get this synced in, or we're just going to pop out the plastic piece for that. But Yeah, it's just to show you how to
figure something out. We'll figure out something. We'll sink it in. We'll have it exposed. We'll figure something out.
Yeah.
We might just have it sticking out the door.
You went full retard, man. Never go full retard.
Yeah, but this is definitely much cheaper than buying the original speaker, which costs $185.
It doesn't sound as good. That speaker sounds way better than any of these ones at the other doors.
I'm gonna have to get one of these and put it on the other one side.
We'll do it the same way.
Yeah. Alright, let's head back to the shop. Alright, so one of the safety precautions you gotta do when you're cutting out a part of the frame of the door, you gotta make sure that all these wires are pulled back. You're not cutting into your wires, feel around like that to see, feel if there's any wires or anything that you're not supposed to cut. Another thing is to protect your window. I got an old towel and I clamped it on here like so that way any sparks will come up here aren't gonna damage my window. So those are just a couple of safety precautions you need to make sure you do. Oh, and another thing is watch where the sparks are coming on the inside. Like if you have some paper or something in here, you wouldn't want to catch that on fire or anything down here. Just keep an eye out for stuff like that. Alright, so after I cut that out, I drilled some pilot holes. I put our bolts back in there, and now the speaker is on there very securely. Now is the moment of truth. I'll see if the door panel fits. Alright, so I got the door panel on here. All we need to do is put back the screws and panels to put back together the door. We got to put this corner piece here. We got to put our control panel for the windows here. You may notice that I took this off. You don't have to do that. I just took it off in the process of trying to figure out how to fit the speaker inside the door frame. But you don't have to do that. So just go ahead and put that back together. I did put the light bulb in the little socket. It was hanging behind it, so just make sure you put that back in there. So I seem to have lost the piece that goes in that corner there, but otherwise you just put the screw that's right there back in there. You have your screw that's under the window control panel, and then there's your final screw next down to this light bulb down here, and then after that, good to go. Thanks for watching Octavius Crafter. Hope you guys have an awesome day. See you on the next video.